see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning. Mag-grocery kami ni Sak. First thing after natin dumating is yeah? Yeah, I still remember how to drive, babe. Sama ko siya. Ang kukunin namin is yung mga kailangan namin na aking mga lulutuin. So, can you turn down, please? One. Ah, you had that one. Where did you get that from?
Asian store.
Asian store. With who? With Daddy? When?
Mama went dentist.
Ah, you went
Take
to-
that one of noodles.
Which Asian? The one I always go?
No, the one near dentist. The one
Near the dentist.
texture.
Yeah, so the one I always go. The Asian store. Ay. Hindi ko na alam. Ano na nga ito. Okay, so yung bibili namin is yung gagamitin ko pa nagluto-luto kami. Nagluto-luto. Tapos, sa Monday, yung grocery na gagawin ko is yung pambaon-baon nila. Kasi mayroon silang student free day sa Monday. Right, Sak? You have student free day Monday? Yeah. You have something here. Yeah, it's white now. I think it's something. Remove that one. Look, here. So, ngayon, mabilisan lang tayo kasi sabi niya, Mom, we're not gonna take too long. Sabi ko, no. We're just gonna get all the meat that I need for cooking because you requested what, Zach? Hot food? Good food? What's that? What's that?
The pork, carrots, and potato.
The pork with tomato sauce. Gusto niya yung afritada or pochero. So yun yung request niya sa akin. Ano na ba nangyari sa aking camera, guys? So ang pangit ng pang-mount ko ngayon. Yan yung ginagamit natin. Piling ko nga mahuhulog siya eh. You think so, sa? My camera will hold. It's not gonna hold. That thing. No? Oh yeah, parang mahuhulog siya, guys. And punta rin tayo na.
Screen protector.
Yeah, mine is broken. I don't think I'm
You have
gonna
a new
buy.
one?
Yeah, I bought. That's my second one for my new phone. I already got 2 screen protector, and then they're both broken. So maybe I'm not
Why?
gonna
Because you
get.
dropped mine. I've dropped mine plenty of times, and it barely did anything. This is
Mine
when
is
I dropped
stuck in
it
the
on the
middle.
gravel. This is why I dropped it on the gravel.
So I'm not gonna buy because it's $65.
Really?
Yeah.
Why don't you go to that Asian girl and beg?
I did that one too. That was the $30. That's the first thing I
Well,
bought.
this one was $15.
Where? At the K-Mart?
No, I didn't go K-Mart. I went Big W.
Ah, Big W.
That girl.
Okay, the Filipino one.
Yeah.
The Nana.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe. We'll see.
Sushi.
Gusto niya mag-sushi muna.
Look,
Hyro?
Look.
Hyro or Hero? Hyro daw yun. I think. Oh, Hyro or Hero. H-I-R-O. Yung sushi bar malapit sa call. So yun muna ang gagawin namin. Tapos mag-K-Mart
Wait, so you
saglit.
don't have a protector?
I still do. I didn't remove it yet. But you can see the crack. 2 cracks. Mom, sabi niya, you're shorter now, Mom. I don't think so. I'm still...
No.
Dito na pala kami, kunin namin yung kanyang sushi. Hero. Kainin ko muna to kasi isasama natin sa grocery. Sabi niya, lagi raw sila pupunta dito ni Daddy. There's a sushi train there's ako. Hi. How you pronounce it? Hiro or Hero? Hero. Hero. See? Told you. Hero. Hi. 400. I think yes. I think you like the other one. Teriyaki. Oh, you don't like that. Thank you. yung isa kong card hindi nag-work kasi hindi ko pa pala yung na-activate.
What even is that?
No, I haven't activate that one. See the sticker? Kasi nung dumating yun, kasi
Why
hindi ko...
do you use it if you
I
see the
forgot.
sticker? I'm like, why
Sabi-
does it stick on your car?
Because I have to activate. Sabi ni Zach, you're so embarrassing. Ang kinuha ko yung isa. Okay, we're gonna go to Baker's Delight to get bread. So, kumuha siya ng 4. Malamig. Why it's cold? Nauna na siya saan. Yung sauce nila ngayon, yung, di ba yung, ang tawag nun? Yung soya sauce. Ayaw niya. Kasi hindi na siya nakaano. Hindi na siya yung nasa plastic ba yung tube. Where's the sauce for this one, ha? Nak? I don't wanna eat.
Just
No,
have
I don't
one
want-
bite. Just one bite.
What time is it?
It's 11 something.
No, not yet. Maybe just save me some. Because I don't
It's
wanna...
11:40.
Yeah. Ayoko. Ayokong i-ano yung
Thanks,
aking...
Mom.
You're welcome. Yung fasting ko. Okay. We'll go to Baker's Delight now. Good? That's 4. That's a lot.
$18, sorry.
Mm. 18 bucks. Is it expensive?
Mhm.
18 bucks. Mahal daw. Pagkain naman yan sa okay lang.
Go on.
Siguro pa, I think when you work, you're always gonna think what you're gonna buy because that's your hard money. Because now you're very concerned about how we spend money. Like this one, it's $18 and it's...
Yeah, but I didn't know it was in.
Yeah, but what I'm saying, if you're gonna work, you're gonna think what you're gonna buy. Okay. Baker's Delight, then K-Mart, okay? Then Drake's, and then Kohl's. So we're not gonna go back and forth, okay? Okay, guys.
We are
Yan
going
yung-
back and forth.
Yeah, that's... Huh?
We are going back and forth.
Why? No, this were... No. That's
Yeah,
why
because we're going back to the light and then go K-Mart, Drake, and then back here.
Yeah, but if I'm gonna go Kohl's first, and then K-Mart, then Kohl's, then Baker's Delight. Drake's. That was my plan, but no. We're gonna go Baker's Delight, K-Mart, Drake's, and Kohl's, and home. Okay? So, iwan ko na siya dito para kumain siya. Careful sa ka. Your jumper. And gawa rin tayo nitong bread rolls.
Robbie had brought it home a couple of weeks ago, so Blake could service it. And then I said, well, I'm going to have that. I'll take it.
Pasok lang ako saglit dito sa She's Apples. So dito tayo sa She's Apples. Mayroon silang snacking na capsicum. Ayan. Ito na lang. Gusto ko yung iba-ibang kulay. Isa lang yung green. Bakit isa lang yung green? Pare-pare, isa lang yung green. Ito na lang siguro. Ilang eggs dito. Kung ano lang kaya akong eggs. Balik ako sa She's Apples. Bili ako ng eggs. Si Sak pala pumunta dun sa She's Apples para kumuha ng drink. Yung sack case. Dito na, bumalik na siya dito. O, saan na siya? Hi, Zach. I got small one. Yeah.
Are they spicy?
It says I'm snacking, so I don't think so. We'll see.
Bell peppers?
Huh?
Bell peppers?
They call, yeah, in America they call bell peppers, but here in Australia they call it capsicum. Okay, I'm just gonna get eggs now.
They look good. They look colorful.
Huh? Yeah, I like the colors though. Okay, I'm gonna come back. Siya kasi, tingnan nyo. $1.99 each. Ayan yung eggs nila dito sa She's Apples. Pa tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much do you think my eggs, huh? The one?
How many?
How much you think? Huh?
I don't know. $6.
No.
You have less.
You know how much? $1.99.
$1.99.
Yes, that's why.
That?
Yeah,
How many did you get?
5. Kaya bumalik ako si...
Probably,
What?
they probably ruled.
What? Expired?
Why?
No, February 14.
Okay, they're just saying.
Oh, sabi niya, baka expired. Baka na expired. What? $1.99. I can't believe. Iwan pala natin yung sardo. Okay, what are you trying to show me?
Nah.
Okay. Did you finish? Ah, this is mine. Okay, tinara niya akong kalahati. Ha?
I got sick of it.
You get sick of it? Because it's 4.
Mm.
Alright. Did you finish your drink?
No.
Okay, we're gonna go to K-Mart. Quick one.
Okay.
Ayan. Guys, dito kami sa... What do you call this shop?
Alright.
What do you call this shop? What shop is this?
Mobile mate.
Mobile
Mobile mate.
Mate. Ah, Mobile Mate. Pumunta kami sa Optus. Tumingin kami ng screen protector. Inayawan ni Zach kasi 80. Nasa $80. Sabi niya, no, never mind. So, pumunta kami dito. Meron sila yung what you call that protector, Zach? Privacy protector. $25. Ayan, binigay niya na. Tanggalin. From here. That one, the spray. Okay, and then I want 17, please. Pro Max.
70 Pro Max.
Yeah.
Okay.
You still want to bring that back? Yeah. Akin sa toaster, yun nasa 60 plus or 70 ata yung akin. Wala na ba? So, dito na lang tayo. What's that?
Potato pops.
Kuya, what one?
14 pounds.
Oh, we
Is
got
yours
one.
Pro Max?
Mine is 17.
No, TJ's old. Like your old one.
Oh, that's Pro, not Max.
Why are you gonna get one?
I'll get him one too.
What?
Yeah, he wants it.
Yeah, that's what he wanted from the start.
Okay, we'll get one for Kuya. But this screen protector is still okay? It's still okay? The
I think
screen
that's a line for everything.
Ah, okay. Kuha natin si Kuya din. Right now.
What are you getting? Like
Yeah.
the spray thing? Oh, that's not.
No, not here. We're gonna get that one from Kohl's.
What are you getting?
The box. This is nice. Hmm.
We have cherries. $6 then?
No, that's a small one.
That's not. Some? Or they should.
No, this is that one here, Zach. That's a small one.
This one's.
Sa dalawa or red? No. No. How big is it? How big? That's for Holly. Yeah, but that one is
These are
nice.
$5.
Pupunta na naman ko sa kasi 12
These
yun.
aren't bad.
Not bad. Do you want that one? Or maybe you and Kuya will have that
This
one.
one's bigger than the other.
You think so? Try, look. No, there's the same, I think. Yeah.
That would be the same.
You want that one? I like this.
Nah, like, I'll get different colour.
Yeah, you and TJ will have the same. Holly will have pink and me and Dad will have different. So so we're not gonna mix up. I like this. Oh, this one is nice too, Sak. Okay, get a cart. Two. And then, what do you want? I like that one there, Sak. Yeah, it's soft. Oh no, maybe not that one for Holly. Maybe I'll get green one. Let me see. No, it looks like matte. This one. No, look. No, I like that one there. Yeah. Pull this one, please. Sorry. Okay, let's go home. How about here? It looks like matte. That one. I think that one is good.
I want stars with this.
You want this? Alright. Okay, black.
Or this. No, that's
It's up to you. Black, because look. The flap. Or this one. The green is good. Or gray. It's up to you.
no, I like this one.
Which one?
Cream. Well, no, this one.
Eh, no.
No, that's too.
This one na lang. It's nice. This one is nice. Ang ganda nga to eh. This one na lang. Okay, it's just the towel to dry. O, get TJ too.
They won't have the same color.
Oh, iba ng kulay para hindi raw magkapalit-palit. No, not that one. Maybe Kuya will have this one. Di ba ang towel namin iba-iba na? Hala, iba-iba na to.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the color.
Oh my God. So, me and Daddy will have this. Kami na lang ni Daddy ang pareho. Which one is nice? Green?
That one, this one.
This one?
That's
Alright, okay. It's just a towel. So, iba-ibang towels namin. Okay. We're gonna get the box now. That's it. Huh? I want that one, the 120 liter. Kaso walang takip. So, ito na lang 80.
I wonder if something like that.
I don't know. Well, we'll just get one of these.
What are these? 80.
Yeah, that's all they have.
Just get two of them.
Just one. Why you smell? That one. Get the... Yeah.
Smells like
Smell what? Oh, you know what? Put the towels here. Later. When we pay.
Oh,
Okay, I'll bring this one. Just put it here.
Please keep your receipt for returns and when exiting the store.
Okay. Pay. Pay. Ready? Pay. Okay, we're done here in K-Mart. Punta kami ng Wendy's. Kuha namin si Kuya ng hotdog. Kuha ko ng hotdog si Holly tsaka si TJ. Nang dalawang piso. Okay, come on sa. Have you been there? The 1, 2, 3? Yeah. Have you been?
when I went riding.
Oh, okay. Is it good? Kasi meron ditong shop. Yeah, very cheap. No, 1, 2, 3 yan. Silly solis. Ayan. Nothing over $5. Mga pagkain siya, mga lollies, yung mga snacks. I think I just go look, but I didn't buy nothing. Did you buy something? Drink. Ah, yeah. 14, right? The good one.
You want actually privacy.
Privacy. Hi, we're
Huh?
back. Can we get the another?
You can put it here. You can put it here.
Sige. 14 Pro.
14 Pro?
No.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Privacy.
Privacy one, please.
14 Pro, privacy
Yeah,
one?
thank
Okay.
you. Okay.
Yeah, we can't separate.
Yeah.
How to stay together?
Okay, yeah. Huh?
You want me to rotate it?
PJ. Why? What's wrong with this? Thing?
So that's the screen protector,
Uh-huh.
and this one. Hey, one more case?
Yeah, we're
Okay.
just ringing.
Protector. We got a privacy screen protector thing. Yeah, I've got one.
Okay.
Alright, so
Thanks. You're welcome.
well. He already bought it. She already bought it. Yeah, set.
Okay. I can have it.
Happy to it.
Okay, thank you.
No worries.
Bye. Oh, good. Ayun na daw ni Kuya. Nabili na namin. It's only 3:35. You wanna try? Yeah. What we gonna put? Huh?
This.
And then, see you get.
Fine, we'll just get this. If you want it.
No, I don't want big, because we're just gonna do the. Get the blue one if you want. I don't like the blue one. You can do the blue one. Me and Hol will get this.
There's my blue one.
No, that big one.
170.
It's all right.
There's one special.
It's all right.
$6.
Do you want that one?
Nah, that'll do.
I know.
Yeah, that'll do. What flavor?
Well, get the big one instead of Ayun niya kasi $11 yung malaki. So kuha niya lang eto.
Have you tried Chick-fil-A sauce?
Huh?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
No, what's that one?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Huh? Do you want to try what they put in the pickles? It's that challenge. Okay, we'll watch it first. May challenge daw sa TikTok na pickles.
We'll probably get it later.
Yeah, maybe later. We'll do this one first. This challenge.
We can still got it. Because I'm so sorry.
Okay, go get that one. So we're not gonna go back, and then we think what we're gonna put in that pickles. Come on, get one now, please.
I don't know what flavor.
Ay, do you like hot? I don't know. You're the one gonna do the chums. I'm not. Okay. What's that?
It's sour and the hot one.
Sour and hot.
I haven't tried it. I don't know. Do you like it?
Huh? Good. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
This one. Okay, which one did you get? Oh. We'll just try. That's Kerensky. Hot and no, not spicy. Not spicy. This is good too. Huh? Chipotle. Yeah. Very good sausage. Ito. I hope it's good.
I think these ones are the ones that go fast.
Huh? For school. Yeah. That's meatballs. That's this also, yeah. Which one did you get before?
I don't know.
Chicken, rissoles.
Oh, we didn't get this one from there.
No?
We just get these ones.
Wow. Okay, you don't want that sausages?
You get them.
Not this one? You sure? That one it's alright. Oh, okay. pork chop. Chicken. I like this bone. Oh, look at this sack. Hi. Ito yung lobster nila. 95 a kilo. Pero ano na siya, luto na and frozen. It's busy here. There. Just gonna carry it? Okay. So close naman tayo. Just leave it there na. Oh. Punta ako ng Asian store. Si Sak hindi na sama. May kunin lang tayo. Kasi si Kuya nagre-request ng dumplings. Yung ginawa ko dati. Gusto niya ulit akong gumawa. No? Kuha tayo ng wrappers. Meron din sila mga fresh veggies. Ayan. Lutuan natin sila kuya. Kuha ko nito. Nag-stock ako nito kasi eto mahirap tong mag-stock sila niyan, matagal.
It's in the Drake's bag.
Socks?
Socks.
What socks?
I'll show you.
What socks? Move that one back. What socks now? Halan.
I might try this one tonight. Oh, no.
Not tonight,
Yeah,
tomorrow. Kasi nga, ayan, mayroon na siyang kinuha. Ano ba't parang ibang kulay natin dito? Ang putla.
But people,
Wait, what happened to my
people say
camera?
this one's good.
Look at the camera. It looks different. Bakit?
People say this one's good.
What, that one?
Yeah. Feel like
Hala, what
it feels
happened to...
weird.
It's really hard. Is it cucumber?
It's supposed to be it's a pickle. It's supposed to be like crunchy.
So, ewan ko anong nangyari dito sa camera, but we look like black and white. Yung pinapakita niyang pickles, nakita niya sa TikTok. So, may mga gagawin kami sa TikTok, pero hindi ko siya i-upload sa TikTok kasi ayaw niya sa TikTok. So, i-upload ko siya sa YouTube Shorts and Snack.
You're liking the video.
No, you're loud. And sa Reels lang sa FB, pero hindi pwede sa TikTok. Bawal daw sa TikTok, sabi niya sa... Hala, nak, what happened to my camera? Hala, hindi ko alam na to. Enough ko, ganun pa din. Wait lang, guys. Kasi, parang black and white tayo dito.